Yeah, guys, in today's video we are showing you a very delicious meal that you cannot afford to miss it. This is Ekpang Nkukwo. Ekpang Nkukwo. So how do we prepare this Ekpang Nkukwo is how we are going to show you today. Here are the recipes. We have here our cocoyam, then the water yam. This is the water yam that you see, and this is the cocoyam. Also, a lot of people have been asking if they can use only water yam for the Ekpang Nkukwo. Yes, of course, you can use only water yam for your Ekpang Nkukwo, and it will also come out very well. The only thing that you cannot use only is the cocoyam. It will not come out well. So you have to mix it, cocoyam and the water yam, for it to come out very smooth and delicious. So continue watching this video and see how we are going to prepare this Ekpang Nkukwo. See you in my next video. So preparing your Ekpang Nkukwo, what you do is to peel the water yam, then wash it before grating it. Then this is my cocoyam. I will also peel it. After peeling it, you have to wash it very well, then you grate it. So all the process of preparing this Ekpang Nkukwo, I'm going to show it to you, and all the ingredients that we are going to add. So that's how you are going to peel it until you finish peeling everything. After you finish peeling it, as you can see now, I need to add water, then wash it very clean, then grate it with my grater. So I want to wash it now with a clean water, then pack this out, then grate it. You finish washing it very clean. So this is my grater that I'm going to use to grate it. Very simple. That is how you are going to do it, one after the other, until you finish everything. Then you mix it and start wrapping it. So after grading it, look at how it looks like, very fine paste. So I'm going to wrap it now, and this is the leaf. I've already washed my leaf. So this is the pot that I'm going to put added oil to it so that it will not burn. So I'll start by wrapping it. You see how the leaf, how it looks like. So you turn the back of the leaf, then put it the size that you prefer. Wrap it like that. That is how I'm going to wrap everything before adding my hot water, then the ingredients. I'm going to add my hot water now. This is hot boiling water that I'm adding to it. Be adding my salt, my crayfish, pepper and maki no cube, my season. Then I'll add my fish. I'll cover it, allow it to cook.